Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to the Wake channel. I'm Cody Hunnicutt, one of your hosts and riders here on the channel, and today we're gonna be riding with the world's smallest wakeboard handle. All right, so this is actually a Hyperlite dog leash handle. I found it and I was like, why don't we just put this on a regular wakeboard rope? So we took the little clamp off for the dog leash, tied a big old fat knot to an old wakeboard line, and we went from there. This is a little sketchy, guys, so don't try this at home, but you can only fit one hand on the handle, so it makes it super difficult to do some tricks. So let's get after it. Let's see how much of a challenge it really is.
Hey, man! Hello, fans. Hello, y'all! Welcome back to the Wake channel. We're about to get lit on Lake Jessamine, so tag along. It's gonna be sick. So sick! Let's go, dude! Almost back-to-back TVs. It is double flippable.
It is double flippable.
That's good to know.
Quick rundown of your experience with the mini handle.
Yeah, you want me to hold it? Dude, mini handle was sick. That was a great idea, Cody. It was so hard. Dude, you land and you like think about passing like the handle back to this hand and you just like can't. It was fun though.
All right guys, and that is going to be it for riding the world's smallest wakeboard handle. It was definitely a challenge on the wrists and arms, but as you saw in the video, it is double flippable. So if you guys like this video, make sure you tell us how you liked it and what do you want to see next down in the comments below, as well as hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss another Wake channel video. All right guys, see you in the next video. Peace. And tell us how you like it by liking the like button, and make sure you subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah.